messengers being given back to the population, and they are taking these seeds. You gods are taking these seeds, and you goddesses out there are taking these seeds, and you high vibrational human beings are taking these seeds, and you are applying these seeds, and you're spreading these seeds, right? So now you're causing the planet to rise again. We're starting to learn to love the sun again and live off the sun. We're starting to communicate with the animals again and have respect for nature again and the plants. And we're starting to feel bad about eating meat now. We're starting to recognize remember that we have a divine connection to the plants. We are remembering these things. We are raising the frequency, right? So that has broken the frequency barrier. And you have all these extraterrestrial races here now that are actually here to fight against the bad ones that had been here but was hiding. And when they would only pop out, they would pop out to hunt. The bad ones. The bad ones used to pop out just to hunt. And when they pop out to hunt, they was hunting us. And when they was hunting us, that's where you get those few sightings from when they said, hey, I saw a UFO. I saw a UFO flying. And nobody believed that person who saw that UFO. That's where those sightings would come from. Those were the bad aliens that were popping out of the cups and the underground bases and the underwater bases and hunting people and abducting people. That's when you heard about abductions and stuff like that, right? But now the good ones are here to destroy the bad ones because we are in a spiritual war. And now the good ones are here, people are seeing the good ones. And when people start seeing the good ones, they can't hide it anymore because they have no control over the good ones. So that's when they start noticing the last 2 years, they start to tell you more about UFOs being real all of a sudden. And you have this new thing that's been going on all 2025 where people have been reported seeing orbs everywhere because the people are seeing it. But these are the high vibrational extraterrestrial races, right? Remember last year when, the top of last year when they said aliens invaded the Miami Mall, it was a big story, and then all of a sudden they made it disappear? That was real. When the spaceship appeared in Miami to all the black folks, you had all the black guys that got on TikTok and said they saw aliens walking through the mall. And people panicked because they never seen it. They described how they looked. They said they looked like us, but they were bigger. They were like 15 to 20 feet tall. They like, imagine giant black people walking around the mall 15 to 20 feet tall with black suits on. And they were glowing, so they knew that they wasn't like, they were floating and disappearing and moving and coming and appearing and disappearing and stuff like that. And people was panicking, right? Well, yes, they here now, right? The good ones. So by them being here to fight off the bad ones, you're going to see these good ones. Right? The bad ones, the fallen can't control them. So that's why you see all these orbs and these things like that, or these sightings have increased. Cosmic family. You know what I'm saying? That's why these sightings have increased because of the fact that you have the good ones here and they are coming along this cosmic light bridge. They are connecting all the planets. And then you have something that's taking place where you have the fallen that are trying to attack this bridge. They're trying to destroy the bridge. Because if they destroy the bridge, then Zeus to destroy the bridge, then no more of the good extraterrestrials or the high vibrational spiritual beings that are sending information into the planet or coming to the planet can come to the planet. So what do? We have to strengthen that bridge. And that's why, if you notice, after December 21st, 2020, you had even more planetary alignments. In fact, we just had a planetary alignment not that long ago, right? So these planetary alignments are actually cosmic light bridges that are, and it was just been reinforcing. It was just our ancestors and our cosmic family reinforcing the structure of the bridge so that we can continue to pour into this planet, onto this realm, and do what needs to be done. And that's what's going on right now. We're doing what needs to be done. You see the system crashing, right? Because you have these extraterrestrial races that are here, the Galactic Confederation, the Council of Cosmic Light. They are here to destroy these bad aliens and the fallens that work with Zeus. They have been rounding them up since 2021, right? The entire system is falling, cosmic family. The entire system is falling. So that's what we're dealing with. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're dealing with. You know what I'm saying? We are dealing with the planet being healed by these advanced races, right? Like the Nerubians. Nerubians, people would say that Nibiru is a planet. Well, yes, but Nibiru is a planet, a spaceship, and a sun. You have a group of advanced extraterrestrials known as the Nerubians. That's the name of their race. They're the Nerubians. And some of the Nerubians in the beginning, they did side with the fallen, and they salted the seas, right? But then you got, that's why it's salt water in certain seas. But then you have the good Nerubians who were always on our side of righteousness. So the Nerubians started coming back in 2023. A lot of times when you look up and you see that sun in the sky, the sun has been hidden, and that's really the Nerubian spaceship there. And they are here cleaning up the air, removing all the chemtrails out the air, repurifying the water. You used to can go to the ocean and drink the water. You used to can go to the river and drink the water. In 2-3 handfuls of water, you be full and revigorated because of all the minerals in the water that's been destroyed and the water's been polluted. So you have the Nerubians that clean up the water. All the land has been poisoned, so they're cleaning up the land. All the air has been poisoned, so they're cleaning up the air. Right? You have so many different extraterrestrial races that are here right now. Others are working through beings like myself, sending us information to give to the masses. Others are going underground and fighting all these and destroying all these underground cities where they got all these kids. They've been organ harvesting and sex trafficking forever. You got kids that grew up underground and never seen the sun since they was 2 years old. Entire cities underground that are used strictly for organ harvesting, meaning they are raised like cattle and needs to fall and eat their organs and live off their body parts. So some extraterrestrial races that are here are going below the ground and destroying these cities. And of course, the bad ones that run these cities ain't gonna just get the cities up. So it's a war going on. Some of these earthquakes that you hear about are not even actual real earthquakes. Actually, war taking place under the surface, and the residue of that war ripples through the soil and gives us what we know as an earthquake. This is a fact. You got war going on under the water. You got a lot of underwater alien bases, and yes, they are down there fighting them. You have alien bases in the air that you can't see with the naked eye because they're vibrating so high, the frequency so high that you can't see it. But you got the good extraterrestrial races who can see them, and they going up to their palaces in the sky and destroying their palaces in the sky. Right? You got other aliens that's flanking the planet because you got Zeus and them trying to run and flee the planet. So we got other forces that are, there's so many portals on the planet. You got other forces that are guarding all these different portals so that they can't run away and go hide on another planet. Now we got y'all right here. We want y'all. We got y'all a corner. So you see the whole system coming down. This is what's going on right now, Cosmic Family. They don't want to tell you that, but this is what's going on right now. Time is ending. Right? All systems are breaking down. Eventually, money will go next. Right? If we continue to raise the frequency. Right? If we continue to raise the frequency, you're going to see more planes fall out the sky because these UFOs are knocking these planes out the sky. Planes aren't just falling out the sky. No, these are actual extraterrestrial races who are knocking these planes out the sky. And they're not just attacking any plane. They are attacking planes that they have been divinely ordained to attack. If it's a certain person on that plane that need to go, they coming after that plane. They know who they want. Remember, everybody walking around, you're not a regular person. You got a lot of clones. You got programs. Some people walking around, you are actually aliens, and you don't even know it. So you might be on a plane with 100 aliens. You know what I'm saying? You thinking they're 100 regular people, but no. The good aliens of these people are bad aliens. The sky is hidden amongst you. So they gonna knock that motherfucking plane out the sky. And when the news reported, they're not gonna say really that plane had 200 aliens on that motherfucker. They're gonna say 200 people on a plane that crashed. Right? They know what the hell going on. They know why the plane got knocked out the sky. And if you look at all these plane crashes, how these planes look, you can tell something is knocking these planes out the sky. And there's so many that they got people scared to fly because it's not normal. Right? It's not normal. You mean to tell me all of a sudden planes don't know how to work no more? Now all of a sudden, after all these years, pilots don't know how to fly no more. And they just crashing into each other. They just fall out. No, it's literally UFO spaceships that are in the sky. It's a war going on in the sky. And because they have cloaked the sky with 5 levels of CGI technology, you can't see the war taking place unless your spiritual eyes open. They are literally blowing up these planes and knocking them out the sky, throwing them out the sky. That's a Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.